Bobby the water drop pressed his tiny face against the submarine window. Outside, the ocean was so dark, the submarine light looked like a little flashlight. Bobby asked the captain, "Where is the deepest part of the ocean, Captain?" Captain Coral smiled. "Welcome to the Mariana Trench, Bobby. This is the deepest known part of the ocean." Professor Earth points to a glowing map. Most oceans are already very deep, but this trench is like a giant crack in the seafloor. Its deepest place is called Challenger Deep. The submarine sank lower and lower. First, the sunlight faded. Then, the water turned dark blue. Then, everything became black. Bobby gulped. "Why does it look like nighttime down here?" Professor Earth said, "Sunlight cannot reach this far. Down here, animals must find clever ways to survive." Suddenly, a fish floated past with a tiny light glowing on its body. Bobby gasped. It brought its own nightlight. Captain Coral laughed. "That glow is called bioluminescence. Some deep-sea creatures make light to find food, confuse predators, or talk to each other." The submarine went even deeper. The walls creaked softly. Bobby whined, "Is the ocean giving us a hug?" Professor Earth nodded. "A very strong hug. The deeper we go, the more water is above us, and all that water pushes down. That is called pressure." At last, the submarine reached the bottom. There were no treasure chests or sea monsters. Instead, Bobby saw soft mud and tiny animals. Professor Earth said, "If Mount Everest were placed here, its top would still be underwater." Bobby's eyes grew wide. "So the bottom of the ocean is not empty at all?" Captain Coral nodded. "It is a hidden world scientists are still learning about." As the submarine rose back toward the surface, Bobby smiled. The Mariana Trench is dark, deep, and mysterious, but it is also full of life. Subscribe now and join us as we explore amazing science, animals, and nature. See you on the next adventure.